Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel 3D Parametric Solid Model Drawings. Today we will create an assembly file of Arbor Press in SolidWorks. In this video, you will learn the full modeling process of this model and its components. We have used 10 PAR files and one assembly to make this assembly. If you want to get the file of this model, I have given the link address in the description of my video. By visiting that link, you can get it easily. Okay, that's it. Let's start the tutorial. First of all, we are going to create a arbor frame of my model like this. Okay, alright. Now we will create a new PAR file from here in SolidWorks and click OK. Now we have selected the IPS option on here. Okay. We will change the scene of my screen background on here. Select the backdrop studio room option. Okay, it looks great. Let's start the new sketch on the front plane. Create a horizontal line from the center point, and its length will keep 8.63 inches. Now we will activate the edit document units option. Okay. Change the decimal value up to 3 places and click OK. Now draw some more lines on here. Its length will keep 1.5 inches. Okay. And 3.125 inches. Alright. 0.125 inches. Okay. And 1.5 inches. Okay, that's it. Now draw a vertical line from this point. Create another line on here. Its length will keep 2.5 inches. Now we will draw an arc between the end points of the line like this. Now we draw two more lines on here like this. Create another arc on here. Okay. Now select this arc and this line and fix the tangent relation between them. Now select this one and apply another tangent relation on over it. Okay. In the same manner, we will do more tangent relation over the inside of the arc. Now we will fix the radius of this arc. It will keep 6 inches. Apply the dimension 1 inch between this point and the center point of the arc. Okay, that's it. Now select this point and the center point of the arc and apply the vertical relation between them. Now we will set the height of the sketch profile. It will keep 9 inches. Apply the radius of this arc 3 inches. Now my sketch is fully defined on here. Okay, that's it. So we will exit from the sketching environment. Now rotate the model in isometric view. Activate the extruded boss base command from here. And fix the depth value 3.5 inches. And click OK. Now see, my first extruded boss base feature has been created in the design window. Okay, alright. Now we will change the material of the part as polished steel. We will add one more light in this part like this. Okay, alright. Now my model is looking perfect. Save the par file with the name Arbor Frame in the Arbor Press Assembly folder. Click Save. Okay, that's it. Select the top face sketch. Choose the top view. Now we will create an arc from here. And fix the tangent relation on this arc and outer edge. Okay. Its radius will keep 1.312 inches. Draw a slanted line on the opposite side like this. And fix the angular dimension 15 degrees between this line and outer edge. Okay. Now we draw an arc from the end point of this slanted line. And apply the tangent relation between them. We will create a center construction line over the mid of the base extrude feature. Okay. Apply the radius of this arc 1.25 inches. Now select this point and the center point of the line and apply the coincident relation between them. Now we draw a vertical line between the end point of the arc and this slanted line to connect it. And apply the collinear relation between this line and outer edge. Now we will activate the mirror entities command from here and select the entire sketches. Okay, now we will choose mirror about option, select the center line and click OK to finish the command. Now draw one more line between both the endpoints of the arc to close the sketch. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will activate the extruded boss base command from here. Okay, choose the reverse direction button. Select the through all option. Okay. Now we will deactivate the merge result button on here so that two separate solid bodies are made here and click OK. Now see the result. Now we will go on the Insert tab and activate the intersect command. Okay. In the selection area, we will select the base extruded one and then next select the second extrude feature. Okay, alright. Click on the intersect button. Okay. Now we will select the each region one by one which we want to remove the portion. And click OK to finish the command. Okay, now see the intersect feature has been created successfully on here. My part is looking perfect. Okay, alright, save the file. Let's start the new sketch over the front face of the model. Okay, click normal. Create a vertical line on here and its length will keep 2.365 inches. Fix the dimension 2.434 inches between this edge and this line. Now we draw two more lines on the bottom side. And apply the dimension 0.375 inches between these two lines. Now create an arc on the end points of the lines to connect it. And apply the tangent relation over this arc and this line. Fix the radius of this arc, it will keep 3.375 inches. Now we will take the project of the side edges of the frame by activating the convert entities command. Convert the projected sketch into construction geometry. We draw the line and arcs over the projected sketch. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Rotate the model in this position and activate the extruded cut command. Fix the cut depth value 1.469 inches and click OK. Now see my slot is cut on here. Let's start the new sketch over this slot face. Now we draw a vertical line over this edge and its length will keep 1.984 inches. Activate the offset tool from here. Fix the offset distance value 0.375 inches. Select the outer edge of the model. Choose the reverse direction button and click OK. Take the project of the inside edge. OK. Draw another line on here to close the sketch profile. OK, finish the sketch. Now we will cut this sketch profile 0.125 inches. Okay, alright. Create a new sketch over this face. Draw a circle on here and its diameter will keep 1.75 inches. Now select the center point of the circle and midpoint of this vertical edge and make horizontal. Now we will draw some more lines on here, something like this. Apply the dimension 0.125 inches between these two points. Now select these 2 points and make vertical. Draw a vertical line on here and fix the dimension 0.375 inches between these two lines. We will extend this line to this circle and trim the arc from here. Create an arc on here and apply the tangent relation between these two arcs. Now select the two arcs and make equal. Okay, finish the sketch. Set the cut depth value 0.875 inches. Click OK. Now see. Activate the plane command from here. Select the front and rear face of the model like this. Now you can see that the work plane is created over the mid of the part. We have selected this plane and two extruded cut features in the Feature Manager design tree. Activate the mirror command and click OK. Now see, mirror feature is created over the opposite side of the model. Okay, that's it. Hide the visibility of this plane. Activate the extruded cut command and select this face to start the new sketch. We will draw a rectangle on here. Apply the dimension 0.375 inches between these two lines. Now we will apply another dimension on these two lines. It will keep 1.75 inches. Choose the up to next option and click OK. Now see. Let's start the extrude cut command once again and select this face to start the new sketch. Now we will draw the two lines on here like this. And create an arc to close the sketch profile. Okay, finish the sketch. Fix the depth value 0.875 inches and click OK. Create a new sketch over the mid plane and activate the section view by selecting this plane. Now we will create two horizontal lines like this. and draw an arc to connect the sketch. Apply the dimension 0.5 inches between these two lines. Now we will select the center point of the arc and this point. Its dimension will keep 1.184 inches. Fix the radius of the arc 0.75 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Let's start the extruded cut command and select the sketch region. Okay. Now choose the mid plane option and fix the depth value 1 inch and click OK. Now see my slot is cut on here. Okay, it looks great. Activate the extruded cut command and select this face. Draw a circle over this point. Fix the diameter of this circle. It will keep 1.172 inches. Finish the sketch. Set the cut depth value 1.5 inches and click OK. Now see my hole is created on here. Let's start the sketch over this slot face and we will another hole on this internal face like this. Hole diameter will keep 0.751 inches. Okay, that's it. Now activate the extruded cut command and select this face to create a new sketch. Okay. Draw an arc on here. And apply the tangent relation between this arc and outer edge of the model. Now draw two more lines from the end point of the arc to close the sketch profile. Fix the dimension 1.25 inches on this line. Okay, finish the sketch. Fix the depth value 0.594 inches and click OK. Now we will create a mirror of these two extruded cut features over the opposite side of the model. Okay, now see the result. Save the part file. Now we will activate the fillet command from here and apply the fillet over this edge. Fillet radius will keep 0.625 inches. Okay, alright. Now my model edge is looking good. In the same manner, we will apply some more fillets over the model edges in the following way. Rotate the model in this position. Activate the extruded cut command and select the inside face of the model to start the new sketch. Now we will take the project of these 5 edges of the model and convert the entire sketches into construction geometry. Create a horizontal construction line over the midpoint of this projected edge. Now we draw a circle over the construction line and its diameter will keep 1.063 inches. Now select this edge and center point of the circle and fix the dimension 0.75 inches. Now we draw the lines over the both sides of the circle. And select the lines, choose the make equal. Fix the tangent relation between the circle and line. We will create 2 more lines on here and trim the line and arc like this. Okay. Now select these 3 lines on here and apply the symmetric relation between them. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Now we will choose the through all option and click OK. Now see here, one more slot is cut over the arbor press frame. Now we will create a fillet on this face in the following way by using extruded cut command. Okay, that's it. And create a mirror of this cut feature over the opposite side of the model. Okay, now see the result. Now we will give the fillets on the lower edge of the frame. Save the PAR file. Activate the extruded cut command and select the bottom face of the model. Let's start the offset tool from here. Select this face, choose the reverse direction option, fix the offset distance value 0.312 inches and click OK. Finish the sketch. Fix the cut depth value 1.1875 inches and click OK. Now see. Now we will create another slot over this face. Draw a rectangle on here. Set the width and height value 2.562 by 0.125 inches over this rectangle. Now we will apply another dimension 3 inches between these two lines. Okay. Finish the sketch. Choose through all option and click OK. Now we will activate the extruded boss base command and select the bottom face. We create the sketch on here. and take the project of this curve. Apply the dimension 1.999 inches between the center point of the arc and this line. Okay. Set the dimension 3.001 inches on this line. Okay, finish the sketch. Now select the sketch region, fix the depth value 0.5 inches and click OK. Now we will activate the extruded cut command and select the mid plane for creating the new sketch. And activate the section view by selecting this plane. Choose the front view. Okay. Now we will draw a triangle on here. Fix the angular dimension 30 degrees between these two lines. Okay, finish the sketch and deactivate the section view from here. Now rotate the model in this position. Select the up to surface option under the direction 1 section. Then we will select this internal face. Okay. Now we will activate the direction 2 option. In the same way, we will select the up to surface option on here. Okay. Now select the opposite side face of the model and click OK to finish the command. Now see my taper surface is created on here. Now we will apply the fillets over these 4 edges of the model like this. Fix the fillet radius 0.125 inches and click OK. It is looking very fine. Now we will activate the hole wizard command from here. We will select the straight tab option. Bottoming tabbed hole option has already selected on here. Hole size will keep 1/4-20. Okay. Hole depth value will keep 0.752 inches. Thread depth value will keep 0.5 inches. Now we have selected cosmetic thread option on here. Now go on the positions tab. We will place the 4 holes over this face for positioning the hole. Okay, that's it. Apply the dimension 1.25 inches between these 2 hole center points. Okay. Now we will apply another dimension on here. It will keep 0.25 inches. We draw a vertical construction line on here and apply the dimension 0.625 inches between the center point of the hole and construction line. Apply the dimension 0.25 inches between the center point of the hole and lower edge. Fix the vertical relation between the two center points of the hole. In the same manner, we will apply the vertical and horizontal relation over these holes to fully define the sketch. And click OK to finish the command. Now see here, my 4 holes are created on this face with cosmetic thread. Activate the hole wizard command once again. Now we have selected #10-32 size under the hole specifications area. Hole depth value will keep 0.75 inches. Tab thread depth value will also keep 0.75 inches. Okay. In the positions tab, we will place the 2 holes over this side face of the model. Now select these 2 center points and choose make vertical. Fix the dimension 1 inch between these 2 holes. Now we will take the project of this hole and fix the dimension 0.809 inches between these 2 points. We will apply one more dimension on here. It will keep 0.75 inches. And click OK for creating the holes. Now see the result. Now you can see here 2 tabbed hole features are visible in the feature manager design tree. Okay, alright. Now we will activate the extruded boss base command and select this face to start the new sketch. Now take the project of this whole edge. Okay, we will create a circle from the center point of this hole and fix the diameter of the circle 1.374 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Fix the boss extrude depth value 0.375 inches and click OK. Now see. Rotate the model and apply the fillet over this edge. Now we will create the sketch over the top face of the model. Draw a circle from here and fix the diameter of the circle. It will keep 0.125 inches. Now select the center point of the circle and this edge, okay, and apply the dimension 0.188 inches on here. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will drag the extruded cut handle from here and click OK. Now see the hole is created over the circular face of the model. Now we will create one more hole over this face. The hole diameter will keep 0.406 inches. Okay, that's it. Now we will create a mirror of this hole over the opposite side of the model. Okay, now see the result. Activate the cut extrude command and we will start the new sketch over this face. Create a circle on here. Its diameter will keep 0.265 inches. And take the project of this curve, okay. Fix the horizontal relation between these two center points. And apply the dimension 1.125 inches on here. Okay, finish the sketch. Fix the cut depth value 0.5 inches. And click OK. Alright. Activate the cut extrude command and select the front side face. Okay. Now we draw a vertical construction line over the mid of this edge. And create a 3-point rectangle on the top edge like this. Select the midpoint of the rectangle line and construction line and choose Make Coincident. Select this one and this one, choose Make Collinear. Fix the width of the rectangle 0.749 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Fix the cut depth value 0.752 inches and click OK. Now see my slot is cut on here. Now we will create our plane on the mid of this feature in the following way. We will select this plane and cut extrude feature, OK, and activate the mirror command from here. OK, now see the result. Rotate the model in this position. Create a new sketch over this face. And take the project of these two vertical edges. Now we will create the lines like this to close the sketch profile. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will drag the boss extrude feature handle from here like this and click OK. Now my surface is filled on here. In the same manner, we will be filled the surface over the opposite side of the model in the following way. My frame is looking perfect. And now we will apply some more fillets over the model like this. Now we will create one small hole over the top face of the model like this. Okay. Activate the cut extrude command and install the new sketch over this face. Okay, now draw a rectangle on here like this. Okay, finish the sketch. Enter the depth value 1.059 inches. Okay, alright. Now see. And apply the fillet on this edge. Let's install the new sketch on this face. Now draw two vertical lines on here. And trim the line on this curve. Okay. Now we will take the project of this curve edge. Okay. Convert these two curves into construction geometry. Now we will fix the tangent relation between this line and outer circle. Draw a 3-point arc between the vertical lines to connect the sketch profile. And apply the tangent relation on these two arcs. Now create a one more arc over the projected sketch. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will choose the up to surface option from here. Okay, select the outer face of this hole and click OK. Now see. Now we will apply the fillet over these two edges like this. And apply some more fillets over the inner edges of this slot face. Okay, that's it. Save the PAR file. Finally, my arbor frame component has been completed here. I hope you may like this video. Now we will create second PAR file, name it as faceplate. Okay, alright. Now we will select the IPS option. Okay, select the front plane, sketch. Now we will draw a center point rectangle from the part origin. And its height will keep 2.5 inches and width 1.75 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Activate the extruded boss base command. Enter the depth value 0.5 inches and click OK. Let's install the extruded cut command. Select the front face of the model to start the sketch. Now create a circle on here and its diameter will keep 0.265 inches. Select the center point of the circle and side edge and apply the dimension 0.25 inches. Okay. Now we will apply the dimension on the opposite side. It will also keep 0.25 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Enter the cut depth value 0.75 inches and click OK. Now see my hole is created on here. Now we will select the cut extrude one feature and right click, activate the mirror tool from here. Click OK to finish the command. Now see mirror feature has been created over the opposite side of the model. Now we will create two more holes over the lower side of the model by using this tool. Okay, that's it. Save the PAR file with the name faceplate. Okay. Now we will apply the fillets over the four corner edges of the plate. The fillet radius will keep 0.25 inches. Okay, alright, let's start the extruded cut command and select this face. Now we will choose the front view. Draw a rectangle on here. Height will keep 1.5 inches and width 0.875 inches. Fix the dimension 0.5 inches between these two lines. And apply another dimension on here. It will keep 0.437 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Fix the cut depth value 0.125 inches. Okay. Now see my another slot has been created over this face. We will change the material of this part as polished steel. And we will insert the new directional light of the model from here. Decrease the brightness of this directional light on here. Okay, now my part is looking perfect. We will activate the hole wizard command from here. Now choose the straight tap option on here. We have selected #10-32 hole size under the hole specifications area. And conditions will keep through all. Okay. And thread depth value will keep 0.5 inches. Okay, alright. Now go on the positions tab. We will select the inner slot face on here. Okay, rotate the model. And place the one hole over the face like this. Fix the vertical dimension 0.5 inches between these two hole center points. And apply the horizontal dimension on here. It will keep 0.625 inches. Click OK. Now see my tabbed hole has been created on the faceplate. Now we will create a mirror of this hole over the opposite side of the model. Now see the result. Let's start the extruded cut command and select this face. Draw a circle on here. Its diameter will keep 0.73 inches. Fix the vertical dimension 0.9375 inches between these two hole center points. Now select the center point of the top circle and part origin. OK, choose make vertical. Finish the sketch. Now we will drag the cut extrude feature handle like this and click OK. Now see here and create a mirror of this cut extrude feature. OK. Now we will apply the fillets on the 4 internal edges like this. Okay, it looks great. Fillet radius will keep 0.125 inches. Now the model is complete on here, so we will close the PAR file. We will create the third PAR file on here. Click OK. Now go on the Edit Document Units dialog box and choose the IPS option. OK. Change the decimal and angular dimension values up to 3 places. And click OK. Now we will select the front plane, sketch. We will draw a horizontal construction line over the part origin. Create a slanted line from the part origin. And its align dimension will keep 0.586 inches. Fix the angular dimension 7.5 degrees between this line and construction line. Okay, now we will draw another slanted line from the end point of the line like this. Its align dimension will keep 0.404 inches. Now we will select this line and center line, okay, and the angular dimension will also keep 7.5 degrees. Okay, that's it. Now we will create an arc from the end point of the line. Fix the angle value of this arc 3.862 degrees. And its radius will keep 0.404 inches. Now create another arc from the end point of the previous arc. Now select these two arcs and choose Make Tangent. Fix the angle value of this arc 86.695 degrees. And its radius will keep 0.02 inches. We draw a horizontal line from this point and fix the dimension 0.047 inches on this line. Apply the tangent relation between the arc and line. Now create an arc on here like this. Fix the angle value of this arc 16.396 degrees. And its radius will keep 0.109 inches. Okay, alright. Now draw one more arc on here like this. Fix the angle value of this arc 21.363 degrees. And its radius will keep 0.268 inches. Fix the dimension 0.593 inches between these two endpoints. Okay, now my sketch is fully defined on here, and convert this line into construction geometry. Now we will activate the mirror entities tool from here. In the entities to mirror section, we will select the entire sketch like this. Except the two construction line. Okay, then we will choose the mirror about option. Okay, select the construction line on here and click OK. Now see. Now we will create one more arc between both the endpoints of the arc to connect the sketch. And its radius will keep 0.586 inches. Now we will change the value of this dimension. Okay, its value will keep 0.583 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now rotate the model in isometric view. Activate the extruded boss base command. Choose the reverse direction button. Enter the depth value 1 inch and click OK. Now see, my first extrude boss base feature has been created in the design window. My feature is looking perfect. And save the part with the name pinion shaft. Okay, that's it. Now we will activate the circular pattern tool from here. In the direction section, we have selected this vertical edge of the feature. Okay. Fix the angle value 360 degrees and pattern value will keep 12. Okay. In the feature to pattern section, we will select the Boss Extrude 1 feature and click OK to finish the command. Now we will change the material of the model as chrome plate. Okay, alright. Now my model is looking perfect. Rotate the model in the back side and activate the extruded boss base command. Okay, start the sketch on this face. Now create a circle from the center point and its diameter will keep 1.172 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Fix the depth value 2.813 inches and click OK. Now we will activate the extruded boss base command once again and start the sketch over the front face. Now create a circle from the center point and its diameter will keep 0.748 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will extrude the sketch profile 1.187 inches and click OK. Alright. Now see here. We will activate the chamfer command from here. Fix the chamfer distance value 0.0625 inches and apply the chamfer on the front and back circular edge as well as pinion teeth also. Okay, alright. It is looking very nice. Select the top plane, sketch. Now create a circle on here and its diameter will keep 0.515 inches. Select the center point of the circle and part origin. Choose to make vertical. And apply one more dimension like this. It will keep 0.5 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we create a hole by selecting this circle. Okay, now my pinion shaft is looking perfect. Let's start the new sketch over this face. Activate the Convert Entities command from here. And take the project of these curves like this. Create an arc on here to close the sketch profile. And apply the tangent relation between these two arcs. Now we draw a line between the endpoint of the curve. Okay. Create one more aligned line over the outside like this. And apply the parallel relation between these two slanted lines. Select this line and center point of the part and apply the dimension 1.575 inches. Activate the offset tool from here. And fix the offset distance value 0.0625 inches. Now deactivate the add dimension and select chain option from here, and now we will take the offset of this arc. Okay. We will extend these three curves on here like this. Okay. Trim the curves on here like this. And give the dimension to fully define the sketch. Convert the line and curve into construction geometry. Okay, finish the sketch. Now rotate the model in this position and activate the revolved cut command from here. Now select this yellow construction line for the axis of revolution. And click OK. Now see, my slot is cut over the cylindrical surface of the pinion by using this tool. It is looking very fine. Now we will open the visibility of temporary axis of the model from here and select the cut revolve feature and the center axis of the model. Now we will activate the circular pattern tool from here. My number of pattern value already has been set on here, and click OK to finish the command. Now my model is looking perfect. Save the PAR file. Rotate the model in the rear side. Okay, now we will activate the hole wizard command. We create a straight tab hole on here. Hole size will keep 1/4-20. Okay. Hole depth value will keep 0.315 inches. Thread depth value will also keep 0.315 inches. Now we have selected cosmetic thread option on here. Okay, in the positions tab, we will select this face for placing the hole and select the center point of the outer circular edge. And click OK to finish the command. Okay, now see my part is complete on here, so we will close the part file. Now we will create another new part file on here. Okay. Activate the extrude boss base command. Select the front plane to start the sketch. Create a circle on here. Its diameter will be 0.5 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Extrude this circle 10 inches both sides from the center plane. Okay, alright. Now we will change the material of the model as brushed steel. And save the part file with the name lever arm. Click save and close the part file. Now we will create another new part file from here. Okay, activate the extruded boss base command. Select the front plane to start the sketch. Now create a circle on here. Its diameter will keep 3.5 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Extrude this circle 0.5 inches. Alright. Now we will change the material of the model as polished steel. And save the part file with the name table plate. Let's start the new sketch over the top face. Now we will create a circle 2.25 inch diameter from the part origin. Create a vertical construction line over the part origin. Create one more circle over the center line. Its diameter will keep 0.56 inches. Now we draw two vertical lines over the both sides of this circle. And fix the tangent relation between this line and circle like this. Erase the unwanted sketches by using the trim command. Convert these two circles into construction geometry. Now we will draw an arc on here to connect the sketch. Okay, finish the sketch. Now choose through all option and click OK. My slot is cut on here. Now we will repetition 4 times of this cut extruded feature by using the circular pattern tool. Okay, that's it. And apply the fillets on the edges of these slots. Now we will create a small hole in the center of the part like this. Okay, alright. Close the part file. Now we will create a new bar file. And activate the extruded boss base command from here. Start the sketch over the front plane. Now we will create a center point rectangle from the part origin. Its height and length will keep 0.75 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Enter the depth value 7.75 inches and click OK. Now see. Save the file with the name RAM. Okay, alright. And now we will change the material of the model as a chromium plate. It looks great. Activate the extruded cut command and start the sketch on the front face of the model. Now choose the front view. Okay. Create a sketch profile like this. Now select the 3 lines and fix the symmetric relation between them. Bottom line dimension will keep 0.061 inches. And top line dimension will keep 0.192 inches. Now we will create one more dimension on here. It will keep 0.937 inches. And apply the angular dimension 40 degrees between these two slanted lines. Now draw a line on here to close the sketch. Okay, finish the sketch. Select the through all option and click OK. Now see my slot is cut on here. Activate the linear pattern tool from here. Okay. In the direction 1 section, we will select the side edge of the model. Fix the spacing value 0.26 inches and set the number of instances value 23. Click OK to finish the command. Now see here, teeth are created over the RAM model. Okay, it looks great. Now my part is completed on here, so we will close the part file. Create another new part file on here. Now choose IPS option. Okay, let's start the new sketch over the front plane. Now we will create two circles on here like this. Outer circle diameter will keep 0.75 inches. And the inner circle diameter will keep 0.5 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Extrude this sketch region 0.6 to 5 inches. Okay, that's it. Now we will apply the chamfer over this edge. Chamfer distance value will keep 0.031 inches and click OK. Now we will apply the fillet on the back edge. The fillet radius will keep 0.125 inches. Okay, now see. Save the part file, name it as handle cap. Change the material of the part as a dark gray high gloss plastic. Okay, now my part is looking very fine. Close the part file. Now we will create another new part file on here. Okay. Let's start the new sketch over the front plane. Now we will create two circles on here. Outer circle diameter will keep 1.125 inches and the inner circle diameter will keep 0.75 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Extrude this sketch 0.375 inches. Okay, that's it. Change the material of the part as polished steel. Save the part file with the name collar. Okay, that's it. Apply the chamfer over this edge. Now we will create a hole over the circular face of the model like this. Now my file is completed on here, so we will close the par file. Now we will create one more par file with the name GIB plate like this. Draw a rectangle with the given dimensions on here. Okay, finish the sketch. Enter the depth value 0.093 inches and click OK. Save the file and close it. Now we will create a new par file on here. Choose the front plane, sketch. Now we draw a circle over the part origin. Okay, finish the sketch. And extrude this circle 0.875 inches. Click OK. Change the material of the part as polished aluminum. Okay, it looks great. Apply the chamfer over the front and back circular edge of the model. Okay, alright. Save the file, name it as Groove Wing. Close the file. Finally, all the power files of Arbor Press model are finished here. So now we will create a new assembly file in SolidWorks. Click OK. Now you can see that the begin assembly command is already been activated on here. Click the browse button and insert the Arbor Press frame in this assembly. Now we will select the IPS option. Okay. Save the assembly with the name Arbor Press. Okay, that's it. Now we will activate the insert components command from here and place the faceplate file in this assembly. Now we will rotate the faceplate in this position by activating the move with drag command. And fix the concentric mate between the hole of frame and faceplate. Now we will select this face, okay, and back face of the faceplate and apply the coincident mate between them. Okay, alright. Now rotate the assembly in the opposite side. and fix the one more concentric mate between these two holes. Now see, my component is fully defined on here. Okay. Now we will place the pinion shaft file in this assembly. Rotate the component 90 degrees in 2 times about the y-axis. Okay. Now we will select the cylindrical face of the pinion shaft and whole face of the frame and apply the concentric mate between them. We will fix the coincident mate between the inner slot face of the frame and front face of the pinion shaft. Okay, that's it. Now drag the pinion like this. See, my pinion is rotating on the whole axis. Save the assembly. Now we will place the lever arm file on here. And apply the concentric mate between lever arm and hole of the pinion. Okay, that's it. Edit the concentric mate on here and we will activate the lock rotation option. Okay. Now we will fix the coincident mate between the front plane of lever arm and the top plane of pinion shaft. Okay, that's it. Now see. Now we will place the thumb screw on here. And fix the screw on the hole of the pinion by using the mate command. Apply the distance made between the front face of the pinion shaft and the back face of the screw. Okay, and fix the distance value 0.125 inches. Now we will apply the coincident mate between the top planes of the thumb screw and lever arm. Okay, alright, now see the result. Now we will place the part table plate on here. Select these two holes of the part like this and apply the concentric mate between them. Drag the part from here and fix the coincident mate between this face and the bottom face of the plate. Now we will apply the angle mate between the right plane of the table plate and the front face of the frame. Okay, and set the angle value on here 24 degrees. Okay, that's it. Now see. Now we will place the part handle cap in this assembly. Select the keep visible button on here to place the second copy of this part. Okay. Now rotate the cap in this position. And fix the concentric mate between the hole of cap and lever arm. In the same manner, we will fix the second cap over the opposite side of the lever arm. Fix the coincident mate between the circular edges of these two components. Now we will place the part collar in this assembly. And rotate the model from here. Select the whole of the collar and outer cylindrical face of the pinion and fix the concentric mate between them. Now select this one and this one, okay, and apply the coincident mate between them. We will place the small screw on here. And fix the screw on the hole of collar like this. Now we will place the part GIB plate in this assembly. Now select this one and this one, okay, and apply coincident mate between them. Now we will apply the distance made between the top faces of the parts like this. Fix the distance value 0.605 inches. Okay, now choose flip dimension button on here. Okay, now see. Now we will apply another distance made between the side face of the parts. Okay, its dimension will keep 0.559 inches. Insert the groove pin on here. And fix the pin on the hole of the table plate. Apply the distance made between these two faces of the model. Now we will place the RAM model on here. Okay. Rotate the model in a vertical position like this. We will fix the coincident mate between the back face of the RAM and back face of the faceplate. Okay. And apply the coincident mate between the side face of the RAM model and this slot face of the frame. Okay, that's it. Now we will drag the handle and RAM part like this. Now see here, there is no relationship established between these two components. Both the components are rotating separately on here. Next, we will link these components to each other by using the rack pinion mate. Okay, that's it. Select these components and choose Isolate option from the design window. Rotate the model in opposite side. Let's activate the mate command from here. Okay. Now we will go on the mechanical mates section under the mate dialog box. Okay. We will select the rack pinion mate on here. Okay. And activate the RAM travel oblique revolution option on here. Fix the rack travel value 3.14 inches. Okay. In the rack selection section, at first we will select the vertical edge of the RAM model. Okay. And then next we will select the circular edge of the pinion shaft and click OK to apply the rack pinion mate. Now choose the Exit Isolate button on here. Okay, now see here my rack pinion mate is showing on here in the feature manager design tree. Now we will drag the lever arm to check the result. Now my lever arm and RAM bar files are simultaneously rotating on here by using this mate. It looks great. Save the assembly. Finally, my Arbor press assembly has been completed here in SolidWorks. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you may like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Okay friends, goodbye.